The velocity of transverse wave in a stretched string or wire is given, that is 10 meter per second. If the length of the wire is doubled and tension in the string is also doubled, final velocity of transverse wave in the wire, that is velocity of wave in stretched string, that is velocity V equals to, it is under root of T by mu, where T is the tensional force and mu is the linear density. So it does not depends on the length of the wire, it only depends on tensional force and linear density. So how it depends on tensional force? The tensional force is doubled, so it is V is directly proportional to root T. So it is V1 by V2 equals to, it is under root of T1 by T2. Now what is the initial velocity? Initial velocity given, that is 100 meter second inverse. We don't know final velocity, we have to find out. Next, tensional force is double, T2 equals to 2T1. So just to substitute here, it is V1 value given, that is 100, and V2 value, it is T1 means it is remains T1 only. T2 means it is doubled, tensional force is doubled, so it is 2T1. T1 gets cancelled, so it is 100 by V2 equals to 1 by root 2. So V2 equals to 100 root 2. So it is 100. It is the root 2 value 1.414. So it becomes 141.4 meter second inverse. A uniform string of length 1.5 meters has two successive harmonics of frequencies 70 Hz and 84 Hz. The speed of the wave in the string. Here we have to find out the speed of the wave in a stretched string. What he given? Length of the wire. So length of the wire, L equals to 1.5 meters, and successive frequencies given, that is 70 Hz and 84 Hz. Now what is the first harmonic frequency? First harmonic frequency, suppose it is N1. Second harmonic frequency, N2 equals to, it is 2N1. Similarly, third harmonic frequency, N3 equals to 3N1. Similarly, fourth harmonic frequency, N4 equals to 4N1. So what is the difference between successive frequencies? So it is 3N1 minus 2N1, that is N1, and it is the 4N1 minus 3N1. So here also it is N1 only. It is equals to first harmonic frequency. We know one formula, first harmonic frequency formula. First harmonic frequency. First harmonic frequency N1 equals to 1 by 2L into under root of T by mu. Here we need to find V value. So V equals to, it is under root of T by mu. So it is N1 by 2 L value. What is the L value? It is L equals to 1.5. Now it is equals to, it is total, it is V. And what is N1 value? N1 equals to, difference equals to. Now what is the difference value here? that is equals to 84 minus it is 70. So it is a 14. 14 it is equals to 3 V. So V equals to 14 into 3. So it is 42 meter second inverse. A transverse wave propagating on a structured string of linear density 3 into 10 to the power of minus 4 kilogram per meter is represented by the equation y equals to 0.2 sine of 1.5x plus 60t, where x in meters, t in seconds. Tension in the string is, here we have to find out the tensional force. What is given? Linear density. Linear density value given T, that is mu equals to 3 into 10 to the power of minus 4 kilogram meter inverse. Now it is the transverse wave equation, that is the general standard form of the transverse wave, that is y equals to a sin kx plus it is omega t. Coefficient of x is k and coefficient of t is the omega. Here also coefficient of x is the k. So k value, k equals to 1.5, and it is the coefficient of t is the omega. So omega equals to 60. Now here velocity v equals to, it is the omega by k. V equals to, what is the omega value? Omega, that is 60 by k value, that is 1.5. So it is 60, it is by 10 by 15, so 15 ones are 15 fours are. So it is v equals to, it is a 40. We know one formula, v equals to, it is under root of t by mu. Now squaring on both sides, it is v square equals to t by mu. Here t equals to v square mu. What is the v value? It is a 40 square. V value we got 40, and mu value, mu is the 3 into 10 to the power of minus 4. So it is 4 square, it is 16, so it is 1600, and it is the 3 into 10 to the power of minus 4. So it is the 4800 into 10 to the power of minus 4. So it becomes 0.48 newtons. The length of the sonometer wire is 75 centimeters, and the frequency of its second overtone is 300 Hz. The velocity of transverse wave that travels in the wire. Here we have to find out velocity. Velocity, v value we need to find. What he given? Third overtone. Third overtone is 300 Hz. Third overtone means the second overtone. Second overtone, that is 300 Hz. So second overtone means it is a third harmonic frequency. Second overtone, or it is third harmonic frequency, that is n3 is equals to, it is 3n1. Now 3. What is the first harmonic? N1 means it is the first harmonic frequency, that is the v by 2L. It is n3 value given, that is 300. 3 ones are 300. So v value, v equals to, it is the 100 into 2L. So it is 100 into 2, L value that is 75 centimeters. Length of the wire 75 centimeters. So convert it into meters. So 10 to the power of minus 2. So it is 300 meter second inverse. Two strings A and B of length 80 centimeters and x centimeters respectively are used separately in a sonometer. The ratio of their densities dA by dB is 0.81. The diameter of B is 1/2 of the A. If the strings have same tension and fundamental frequency, the value of x. X is the length of the second wire. We need to find length of the second wire. So we have to write one formula, that is fundamental frequency in terms of density. So it is one fundamental frequency formula, n equals to 1 by 2L into under root of T by mu. Mu means it is a linear density. So mu equals to, it is the density into area. So n equals to 1 by 2L, it is under root of T by mu value, it is density into area. So n equals to 1 by 2L, it is a T by D. A means it is area of cross section, pi r square. So n equals to 1 by 2L, under root of r square value r, it is T d pi. Now it is constant value, it is also constant value. So what is the ratio? N1 by N2, it is L2 by L1, it is R2 by R1, it is T1 by T2 and D2 by D1. So diameters are also in the same ratio, N1 by N2, L2 by L1. You can write it is D2 by D1 and it is T1 by T2, it is D2 by D1. Now in terms of A and B, so it is NA by NB equals to, it is LB by LA, second wire. Now here DB by DA, it is T suffix A by T suffix B. Now it is a DB by DA. Now here fundamental frequency have same tension and same fundamental frequency. So it is N by N only, and it is X by, it is 80 centimeters and dB value. So diameter of the second wire is the half of the diameter of the first wire. So it is dB is nothing but dA by 2 by dA. It is have same tension, so it is also T and it is also T only. dA by dB value, that is 0.81. What is dB by dA? It is 1 by 0.81. So it is n cancel and tt also cancel. So it is 1 equals to x by 80 and d gets cancelled. Now it is in the denominator 2 is there. Now we can write it is 100 by 81. So it is a 160. You can write it here, that is 10 by 9.